We're going to do a quick scrub on this pipe wrench. It's in its vinegar bath. I'm going to do a quick scrub and put it back in, and then we'll do the final scrub on it probably tomorrow. But it's cleaning up nicely, and hopefully by the time we're done, she'll look like brand new.
Folks pointed out in several of my videos that I wasn't wearing gloves as I should be, and they're 100% correct. That you got to figure the vinegar process is taking off plating, it's taking off grease, it's taking off everything they have to preserve this old tool, and to absorb it through in your skin through your hands is probably not a very intelligent idea, which is probably also why I wasn't paying attention to wearing gloves like I should have. So thank you, Troy, for pointing that out. But let's scrub this guy down and see what we come up with. Still real tight, good looking tool. It's monstrous. It's gonna take a while to clean, but I've been pretty excited about this one for a while. It's hard to get stuff. The wire wheel will take that off for the most part. I got a little, looks like this may have been welded at some point to keep it together, but I can't tell. But I'll smooth all this out, make it look the way it's supposed to. You know, nice and smooth, beautiful tool, made in the U.S., great state of Ohio. Probably in the, I think the date I could come up with was the 70s. Actually, I think 78 if I'm not mistaken. My birth year was the year that folks were able to come up with. Look at this nastiness. But this thing's gonna be beautiful when we're done. This one will go straight to the Anderson Restoration website. I'm going to make a donation at projectunbreakable.org to own the tool, make a fair donation, you own it. I don't make any money, I make zero money. All that money is going to go to veterans, soldiers, first responders in mental health crisis. So this will be a very nice wrench. They go for quite a bit of money on eBay, so I could potentially put it on eBay and then just make the donation once it sells to myself. I just prefer not to do it that way. One thing that worries me about this big guy is how much it's going to cost to ship it. I got as much off as it's going to come off. This should, yeah. All right, let's get this big hoss to the wire wheel and go from there. How's that sound?